week. Yay! Guess who is getting ready to walk through that door? Bennett and Emily. And I'm sure they have checked off another day till school is out. I know we are so ready. This morning, it was like pulling teeth trying to get those kids up and out the door on time. We were actually 7:20 leaving this morning. Now that's late. If you keep up with us and the time we leave for school, we try to leave by 7:05. And I had to have my car at the service department at 8 o'clock. So I was like 10 minutes late this morning getting it there. But good news, I didn't have to pay a dime. Bad news is that my car is having issues. Well, not just my car, but a lot of the cars that were made in 2015 are having the compressor to leak the air. And what happens is where it's welded together, he told me that they're cracking. So you have up to a 60,000 mile warranty and they fix it for free. So they did that, and my tires, unfortunately, are not covered because the only way they would be covered, which Jay warned me of this, he said it could be that if you buy tires after you bought your car, if you buy the Continental tires, then, and you buy them through Continental, whatever he said, I don't know. Anyway, my tires were not covered, and it was going to be outrageous to put new tires on my car. Outrageous. So I know we can go to Costco, which we've always gotten our tires from Costco anyway, because you get free rotating and balancing, rotation and balance, maybe I should say, for the life of the tires. So yeah, I think I'm going to go and look into Costco. So I'm actually eating a snack of popcorn, and guess who made that popcorn? My daddy made that popcorn. They have an awesome popcorn machine at their house, and so anytime the kids go over there, he always sends them home with a big bag of popcorn, freshly popped. It's like, feels like you're in a movie theater. It's so delicious. And he gave us a bag to give to Katie and Cullen, and I saw her actually last Saturday night after I picked up the kids, but she left it at my house. So I did try, Dad. I did try to give it to her, but she left it at the house, and I just never took it to her. So Bennett already ate through our bag. So yeah, I'm indulging in Katie and Cullen's bag. So sorry, Katie and Cullen, if there's any left when you see this, you can come get it back. If I don't spit in it first, right? No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I don't know where my kids are. The bus is late. Let's go see if they're here yet. Come on, Soki. And Soki has been doing much better today. She's taking her little steroid, and it has made her very thirsty, like I knew, and hungry and all that good stuff. And she's been very hyper. So that's just what it does. Oh, what was that? Oh my gosh, did you see that little chipmunk? Like, he literally just like almost tripped over my foot. Look, there she is. Emmy Boo! I was looking for you. Y'all are late today. Why are you late? You don't know? Did you have a good day at school? No? Why not?
Because I don't like school.
Why does your hair look so much blonder today? Did y'all play outside a bunch today?
Yeah, we got early recess.
Cool. I mean, it does. It looks like you've been having some blonde highlights. You get more people to sign your yearbook?
Yeah.
Cool.
I got even the back filled up, and I got Miss Moore to sign it.
Oh.
I'll read what it says.
Your last year's teacher?
Uh-huh.
We'll just have a sit on the grass. There's my man. What's up, dude? You want to go to Miss Reggie's and play while I take Emily to gymnastics? She wants you and Brady to come play.
Okay.
Okay. That was easy enough.
Mommy, okay. Mom said, dear Emily, I have enjoyed seeing you go through the year. Can't wait to second grade, Miss Moore.
Yay, how sweet was that? All right, listen, you got to go get your gymnastics suit on. We got to leave in exactly 5 minutes. Okay?
I have enough time.
Hurry, hurry.
Wait.
All right, Missy back there ate her Pop-Tart, didn't you?
Yeah, but not all of it.
You saved some for later? Ah, and look, we don't have the windows down. How's this car ride been?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It feels good to have cold air blowing on us, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna really feel good when we come from the hot gym, right? You better find some energy, friend. Oh, and I just caught a glimpse of your earring. Guess what you get to do this weekend? What?
Change the out.
Change them out. Madelyne said, she goes, I can't wait for her to put on her elephant earrings. And I was like, oh, I can't wait for her to put on the cross earrings. So, you got lots of choices, friend.
Well, I'm gonna put on the elephant.
Maybe you can wear the elephant Saturday and the crosses on Sunday. How about that?
Yeah.
Give me 5.
Okay, hold it like, no.
Oh, my hand won't twist that way.
Oh my gosh. Then, like, turn it to like that.
All right, give me 5. Oh, headbutt. What in the world? All right, Goober, let's go.
All right, so what we do is the oldest person here, which is me, counts down and says, get ready, go. And then once I say go, everybody pick up their key and they try to figure out how to unlock the maze. You turn the key, you can push it in, you can do anything, and you win when you get your handcuffs unlocked and you grab the highest number left on the board. So right now we've got 3, 2, 1, 0. So if I get out first, I want to grab that 3. And if you get out second, you want to grab the highest number, okay? You understand?
Yes. Yeah, but we're still doing like this.
Yep, see this little groove thing? It goes in like that. Like that. 1, 2, get ready, go.
Got it.
Don't force it, don't force it. Look in and look. Gotta push it down. See when it drops down, groove, see? Drop down. There you go. Cool. You stole mine. So the new rule that we're creating is whoever wins has to move up a level. There's green locks,
Bennett, put your...
red locks, and yellow locks.
Okay, I'm already on yellow.
Yellow is the in medium, red's the hardest, and green's the easiest, obviously.
Yeah.
So Bennett had to move up.
I'm not gonna win. I'm telling you that. I'm not gonna win.
All right, so get your key out, everybody.
Keys down.
Get ready, go. Uh-oh, I'm doing mine backwards. Boom.
There's no broom there. You can't even do this.
Don't force it, don't force it. Something's going to move on. You can't just keep forcing it down. You gotta, that's why it gets harder and harder.
Okay, do I need that?
Alright, did you beat me, Moody, or did I beat you?
I didn't.
Alright, I think I won, but you grabbed the thing first, which is the game. So. So you won.
I got a 1.
Put it out here, put it out here.
I got a 2. So I'm still.
No, Daddy got a 2.
Yeah.
What do the
No,
numbers
it's
mean?
okay. Yeah, whoever wins, whoever gets unlocked first is supposed to grab the highest number. So let's say I get it unlocked first, but Madelyne and I get it unlocked at the same time. Well, if she grabs the 3, then she's the winner because she got the highest number.
I gotcha.
So you try to grab the highest number once you get it unlocked. Okay?
Okay.
Who's having fun?
Me.
All right, so what colors does everybody have up in there?
Emily and I still have green. Madelyne and Bennett have yellow because they are the winners.
Okay, I'm probably.
Ready, set, go.
Boom!
I'm not going to do that.
Remember, you gotta kind of wiggle it up.
Can't just
For,
force it down. You gotta. Oh, then you got it.
Dad, I did what you said and it's still not working.
See, Emily, you need to practice some. You gotta just keep wiggling it all the way down.
Dad, I had to do that to get it out.
I know. Sometimes it says you have to push it. You have to pull on it. You have to just keep going. It's like a maze in there. You can't see what's
I'm
happening.
just gonna eat my bone.
Yes, yep. Fun family game night. Mommy doesn't get to play. She's the videographer,
Yes,
and she's happy about
I am
that.
happy about it.
All right, Bennett.
3, 2, 1, begin.
You cheated. Uh-oh. Oh!
Don't
Can't
force
force
it.
it, son. Keep pushing it.
Dad, how many Oh, you're me.
Hours later.
2 hours.
I think you just gotta keep. All right, Emily, you count us down, baby.
Ready, set, go.
Uh-oh, this is not doing good. Oh, no. Oh, good job, Emmy. Damn, I'm locked in here for good now. Is there an emergency release button? Alright, I got back out. Start over again.
Dad, I'm kind of scared now.
Yeah, this is not good. Oh man.
What?
What even makes it more complicated is all the yellow ones don't have the same pattern. All the red ones don't have the same pattern. They've got different patterns to get to the bottom. So I don't even know which red one I have. Got it! Finally figured it out.
Dad, can you help me?
Woo!
I'm kind of stuck.
Whoa.
That one was hard.
Dad,
Alright, I'm sweating on that one. So I think I'm out of this game. We're
right.
gonna leave the kids to it.
I did the one that you had. Dad.
Were you?
I used the clues to figure it out.
There you go. She's a smart cookie. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Good night and
JJ out.